Honorary Secretary Atopom Navachandra Warol Mayam Taram Upugi Warol Madi Nungi Nasigi Thomasigi Warol Sing Tabirami
Flat Hawaii Kang Yauna Atopi volunteer singing station to win Michigi where I come below Biriba. We are Kinimai. Yes, honors the Vedita, the chairman Narendra Nyongba, Musu, La Piriba, Red Cross Key, District Key, President, Vice President, Secretary, Treasurers, Amadi, Headquarters Key, Volunteers, Kunyu Kipanda, Naruna, Vanzari. Volunteers, Technical, media, the Say, Amani, Maru Nungta, Cookie Land, Platinum, and the Token Bow, climate change, Miam La Pacific. Say that we Sing Jaumbatan, the Red Cross given them Miam. And now upon the Pogado, we would do it. Yang padana we district Kudimaki in Porto district Kudimaki walked over Madrid Damkas Mina hill station number Tony no I and everybody. Red Cross City ID he trying to wait from the she and the dedicated to the we just have Kunse, and it's in the May Talokunumse. I won't around the Talokuno in Pung, Marida Canaraga. I went there, Taramaka to Nungang with a Pung Manga, Makai, where is that Pashi, the Baro Makai, my Muslim to take the rest. We Red Cross Yam Preserve, Red Cross Key, Hawaii Young at Hokurumba, for example. Tamo nala lagi demo tu nak kau mayam sih tu pura tu na honor tahu juga, oh pi ukuda, aduh betul yang panjang, aku aduh na, kau Narendra Sahai ni, lagi tu tam tu Red Cross ke plek na, kopi lah, si the Red Cross volunteer oi na, mayam dah identify tu orang ka, TV sedegi, set bidai lau tu lah, panjang, apa tu mesti jadi kita tu apa. Because I had hanging, I was 79 years running. I was with a Mokrimaka Yawning, Yogi Sukali, 79 years, 59 years, then a conjuring say, wouldn't say this call look to cover the Isagi, walk and give it. Anyway, why could I say, I dare a guy, my am the
Sarsi Wakanga, Haksanga. We Sada Wakana, the Naha Uduna Levani, a Quina Tobungam the Batsargi, the Sing Makada, a Quisted Branches and Torum Kato with the Sarsi Hector of the Kana, a hundred pools, Sar, Hetalak, and the Sassi Tosi Hava, Magitona, Amukana, when a Tamjani, whatever, more than Mount, Tamjari, Sarbu Kakatsari, Makata Pasiti, Toromasiki, Makata, Poena, Kai Missouri. Impan's Deputy Commissioner, Hamsupubiriba, President, Tawaish Pubiriba, Dr. Nevidita, Layla Pambu, Punkra Tambina, Mahangacheri.
Felicitation of recent flood response volunteers, respected Dice Telenzen, Biriba Mingwana Panjarabda, Dr. R.K. Nimai, Vice President, Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, Sri Narendra Nimumba, Chairman, Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, Dr. Yanglem Mohan Singh, former Chairman, Indian Red Cross Society, Manipur State Branch, all the members of Indian Red Cross Society, Mangalinsin Biriba, friends from the media, and everyone present. Ahamba Matada in Ikai Kunaba Ucheri. Ahamba Matada, I want to thank Masigi felicitation program. Sida Aibusu Yohan Bibagi, Ahamba Matada, I'm very thankful for that. In addition, Indian Red Cross Society na tawri base voluntary service very structured way. I was a member. I'm still a member. President oi bagi maputta Indian Red Cross Society ki, I feel proud to say that I'm a patron member of Indian Red Cross Society rather than being a state district president. Sir na haibi the minor wakhanda di Indian Red Cross Society ki voluntary service ki activity mein amse tum uzaba ai su yongning ba adubu ngamdi ngamjada ba khoi se tholok pada active participation ngamjada ba sina lanai gi personal agi ngamjada ba duai na thamjaba. But however I appreciate uzaba Indian Red Cross Society da, as mentioned earlier also, in the Red Cross Society na district administration da aduki mating pange whether mayam nadi government na recognize to di na khanbiram bade yai adubo we know the contribution of Indian Red Cross to the society je akoi na dum khangjel. Sometimes please don't mind that government do not give befitting appreciation to the Indian Red Cross Society. Kano matik chaba appreciation PD na khanbi bado adu warobi gano. Sometimes it goes out of our mind also. Aduga Indian Red Cross Society na under specifically district administration Imphal East aigi officer sing na when before the government ki akhoi institution na respond to bangam dringai da. I am very happy and I want to thank Santi Gomal da Indian Red Cross Society Imphal East district branch na hana respond to bibado. It was very helpful and I'm very thankful to Indian Red Cross Society for that. And for the Indian Red Cross Society na Imphal East district branch na atopa district asu to biram gani na khanjai aina. Not only blood donation na akhoi na ambulance service provide to bibase like akhoi gi enough ambulance service lai jade state government gi Imphal East ki oiro only we have only 2-3 running aduso. So sigumba matamda flood kumba any natural calamity ama tholapa matamda we do not have enough aduga manpower su lai jade aduga then like it's such a huge relief to the government that Indian Red Cross Society na ambulance service sama provide to base. It's such a huge relief to the government and sigi voluntary service sigi say people may recognize or not recognize. It's a huge moment naidaba service ne which not everyone can be like the volunteer of Indian Red Cross Society. I think wakhandadi tongning ba mayam lai gani but ngamdaba mogi ngamjadaba su lei aduna akaina haizening ba se siga loina na volunteerism gi activism highlight kadra sigi awareness sigi Indian Red Cross Society na side by side district administration da mating pangbi bada natana see is awareness amtang tohan janinge every like da club da because say for example akoi handaki ising chawdo May da mu chawre then September da muka chawre handaki September da su May da su say Imphal East ki yam mafam yam kai adudai aina akoi water resources department na men oina thobu biraga district administration ga loina na ising chaw je thingja bani akoina but sometimes mafam yam adi akoina chatpa ngamdaba but aduna lekai di club na kaina thola ga akoina only send back aduga machak pi khraga thingbi gi basu yawe likewise but khara mafam khara dedi which we could have prevented if the volunteers were there adugumba adegi akoina government gi mayam na su yobangam daba matamda Yongam Jingaida, Kaigidana, that it took 2 to 3 days. Adu Tingnabagi Ponabada the Maitawi. Supposing if there were volunteers and with the help of government geek and Otoramagadi, Tingamagadi, Mafam Karadi Kanbayaramba, Suyaw Honeduna, Aina Red Cross the high request of Zanin Base. Sigi Martin Supambidi, Pambibaga Lola Lunana, Sigumba voluntary service. Hanadi, Quina Mawing Idagadi. Lekai ki se social service samta tawre hire so hekta isai ki khulai am por aga puthoga aidi lekai duma luna na thambase tawrambe Hujik sigi wakhan se kitang sigumba activities se handara abraina khalle hujikti but with the help of Red Cross na sigi awareness se volunteerism gi awareness se create to biraga di school da natraga college da si to biraga lekai da amutang district administration ga loina na chatmina raga amutang to minasi haidana I request again. Thank you once again. I'm really thankful to the Indian Red Cross Society. Thank you.
Election Biriba Kai Kumnajariba, Dr. R.K. Nimai, retired IAS Vice President, Indian Red Cross Society.
Thok so masa lapiu aduga wada Boy
no welcome Shakti.
Masalah terberat lagi. Oke. Suruh kagam jatra. Hizam Alex. Suruh kagam. Jadi saya berada kawan tadi. Mayang bang burun. Rina Fizam. Kendro.
Yamna sudum taning buwa dum oibanina kasuk akoina chatmina matamda sang ngangasu mayamna hen harawi loigini haibada mayamna pakhatpani adu chak haiba masu leiri adi mayagi thabak thawai mayam am leiri ngasi tamuna sauthokchariba leader amoina state branch segi chairman amoina mafam kuding maksatana si tawdaba yade haidana tamona puchan datana tawriba mayam se ngasi manggaleng sin biriba koigi volunteer singna ngasi aduki matik thabak thorum singda Red Cross lady haiduna pangting tingiba madugi view du mari no singna urakpa thamoida aduga tamona madugi kaino kududa sanga ga tamoi khangna sanaba singgi lawruba makut ting thoraptiba mayam singa se credit che goes to mayangi volunteer singda su akoi wakhandagi thamjari maramdi mayangi activities laitana Manam mamang da lan gi matamda ekoi ambulance ki awaba kaya mayong nakiba ambulance amakakna na leiba ikobel ani du ambulance tharaga maduda miyam da service tawgiba loina na district khuding makta ambulance leitabagi awaba thawban na district ki kano health gi kano medical department gi waiga Red Cross tharaga lakiba ekoi mit na sangsang ui tamono ui loina na akoi da laibak phawa mana ekoi da leiriba ambulance so wasi sar gi matam akoi di mamang da akoi National Headquarter na pibiram base khwaidagi laibak phawa asigi activities mayam de matang mayam je torak padagi ngasi di Red Cross hairagadi miyam na khaji ikai khumnabu ulakpa akhoi ikai khumnabu pambadi nate akhoi thabak thoramdu sak khangbirakpani haiba wafam ase mayam tingbiru khwai punamakta ju thamjage makha ta nai khona tawriba makhai akhoi khudong chaba tungda lakadaba singi thaupuruba singi khudong chaba mayam ama lakani akhoi thamoi sengna miyamgi angamba matamda mateng pangmina sai wafam si thamjaraga mafam sidagi amok mayam punamak ngasi thoramasi losilakpagi tanja function si losilakpagi tanja laibana maram oirakanda ngasi asum laba yamna chinglem laba thoramasida ngasi thoramasigi board of thanks ayma adumak mayamda lanthokjage loinan ahan bada ngasi thoramasum laba chinglem laba sida mayagi tamod election bireba ekhoina hojita ina su panjakiba hiram kaya da tamona ai isagi wakhalon si kauthoka mayamgi torom da yade heduna songthok bireba ngasi president gi thomon lang election bireba ikai khumna jiriba chairman kok non nei kai khumna jog loina na thoramasi sinbi langbi dana makungpa ba mai pakpa ekoi leader moina thoramasigi mayagi tamod election biregi damak thagachaba thongjari loinana mamang thakta akoina hek record sawjara matamdagi adumak lebiramaba loinana lamdamasune kai khumna jariba ngasi na thoramasigi CGS ki phampam lang election bireba koigi sar aiko ngoni kai khumna buchari loinana thagachari loinana makhatara pada guest of phampam lang election bireba former chairman soibiramba aduga hojik su red cross kini haidadi hek haibaga chelak panahanba paum haihudabada nongalaga akhoi da hekta lan toba haibadi masagi thongna lingjen adugi handriba adum la khoi sar gi lising makha da khoi sangna khoi adum volunteerism gi wakhal se poksaki sar bu su ngasi thoromasida achimba mayam kai topir duna thoromasigi guest of honor gi phamam lang election bi bagi damakta state branch ki sinja langjariba mai kai digi mayam punamaki mai kai digi thagachaba phongdokchari loinana yamna nungaijariba da Ifan SK Hojauji Deputy Commissioner oina thawpubiribi loinana akoigi chawthokchariba Deputy Commissioner singna pangding tingna kanda district tagi tawbirakba thabak thoromasigi mai pakpa oijariba loinana ngasi thoromasigi na case of honor gi phamam lang election bir medam buchu thorom sinja langjariba mai kai digi matam chana lengbirakna asiga sumlaba volunteers singi thoromasi bu soga bi demak thagachaba pamodu thamjari thoido hendongna lamdam akoigi lamdam asida leminariba ayamana ngasi asi hoi state branch na sinjaraga su valley gi oina meli tawba recently handaki singsaw si valley gi area da khare yamna tawbuna maram oirikanda district manga dagi haiba tare akoigi kaksing bishempu thauban imphal east west haiba singi thaupu birbo khwai punamak matam chana lembir ton thorom sarga bi bi damakda state branch mai kai digi taramna kan thagat wahe du thamjari loinana volunteer sing thongna phana ai sokpana ba natragana ai thongna du puthoka da miyam mateng pangbibada choba thawai puthokpi khiba aduga choba wakhalon puthokpi khiba isagi achinba kya khai thadokpi khiba khwai punamak mayam leirambagi damakta red cross na sauthoksari mai pa wapumje thamjaba loinana thagachaba phongdoksari hayo si thanangda hoba akoi media gi thogai pubiriba masamok Bishenpur district ki akoi gi secretary oina thok pubiriba duga hiram kaya da akoi gi thodo thok matamda media natra social media ai si yaudra badi akoi na tawjari ba khara si akoi mayam na sakhang biro sakhang bagi credit loaning bagi wanate akoi na sakhang ba natra media season eri bise akoi gumba volunteer mayam ama changhong khangdaba miyam gi seba tawning ba mayam ama leibanina aikoi na social media gi platform da aikoi gi volunteerism gi sumro organization su sakta pada so thodang lo mor pusu thagat cheri punamak ngasi gi thorom masi simbi langbi bada oina na hona bada stage gi ngarang nungdang phawa thengma wa akoi gi thabak thorom kaya tawdana masi oina na hona rakliba simbalang ba punamak ta sarga bi khiba punamak pu chi thananda wa lerega su waro bidana ba punamak thagat chaba golena na ngasi asi thorom asi makha chatharak pa haibadi mayamgi ngamjaba kharadang mayamda chamin thamina ba haibasina punsida kwaidagi miyoibagi nungsinabadu puri haiba wakhaloloduda karigumba ngamjaba kharadang chana sinjari loina thoromasigi di mayagi tangmada election biriba thoromapuge haiba lojaraga function asi matang asalo sinjare haiba wapamasi mayamda thamjari
Hello, sir.